So yes, condition monitoring systems can bring you some huge benefits, but we've got to apply it in the right context. It's only one small part of building a maintenance strategy. And what we're looking to do is get to this position of managed risk. So what I mean by that is when you understand your machines properly, you can decide which ones can be maintained on condition instead of either allowing them to run to failure, which can be very expensive, or over maintaining them because of a aversion to risk, which has its own problems as well and increases your costs because of the amount of maintenance you're doing. So we're trying to get to this managed risk position. So I'm going to talk about the different approaches to maintenance and how you select the maintenance approach based on a few criteria. I'll go further into, today I won't go any further into the details of how we do the particular monitoring that we do. We'll probably do some live events on those later on if there's interest in those.